Alright, I did 3 videos, but I can't post them. I'm really nervous because of what happened about work, even though I'm not there. I'm very stressed, very nervous. I cannot, like, just really nervous right now. So I was doing a research, and they said to listen to joyful music, slow down your breathing, other things. Even my legs are twitching right now. Oh, it's just alright. Beforehand, it wasn't so bad, but now I'm just like really thinking about it, like, oh crud, like type deal. And I really need. They said listen to music. Usually, slow, calming music just puts me to sleep. So, and when I get nervous, hyper, mad type deal, I get burps really bad. Anxiety type deal, I think it is. I got really bad nerves right now. Really, really bad nerves. Oh, man. I've already talked to my parents, so don't worry about that part. I've spoke to them, so I might have to throw my music on. I get too nervous. I mean, when I get nervous, I'm like nervous. When I want something to complete, I do it. But right now, work is like, ugh, because you're like this small at your job, and you think you're like that big, and instead of having your supervisors like to help you, like here, to help you go farther up to reach better goals to become a better person, it's more the opposite. They push you down until you are actually nothing. You feel like you're nothing, and then you just want to do something, so you do something, and then it comes back and bites you in the butt again. So yeah, really bad nerves right now. Don't know what to do. I know I have to use the restroom. I probably will throw on my music really extra loud. I think the kids are back in school now. I'm not quite sure, but I need to do something really bad. So I did some other videos, but I'm not going to post them to anybody who knows anybody about anything about my work at all. So I've already done them. They're about 9 to 15 minutes long, and I'm only going to send it to people that don't know the people that I know. Because I do show first and last names, I do show the picture, I do show the things, and I can't really be talking about it at all. So, only way you get it is if you don't know the people I know. That's the only way. And, yep. And that's a huge risk. Really bad, big risk. So, it's not gonna, it might not happen until I get out of my workplace. And then you can see how anxious and rambunctious and crazy I am. But right now, no. No, no, no. No, no. I need to go on GTA 5 and kill lots and lots of people. Oh, I need to go on a rampage, murdering rampage. Blowing up everything in my power. If I become complete red, the risk I have to take, because I don't know what to do. I'm gonna try calming myself down. Oh, damn, my legs are jittery. Fuck you, bird. Sorry. Oh man, I don't cry. You've never probably seen me cry, but I'm so stressed right now. I'm gonna cry really bad. See, my eyes are actually tearing up. Got tears. I was gonna go for a stress-free vacation, but that's probably not gonna happen. Oh. So, I can't even see it. Oh, dang it, touch my eye. Oh, tears in it. Ah, hurts. It's really bad. Ah. Oh. Sorry, my nose gets this way too. I need to blow it. Yes, come here. Come here. Come here. Yes, come here. Thank you. Oh, I need someone over right now. Alright, should be better. That tear drop. Feels like it. It's moist right here. Weird. So, too stressed. Too stressed. Way too stressed. I need out. Sign me up. I'd go work on the farm, shooting animals in the back of the head. I'd do anything. The TV show Dirty Jobs, I would probably do that. It got me out of my workplace right now. I'd do that for at least 6 to 7 months. I'd even clean poop. Swear to God, I'd clean poop right now if it could get me on my job. Oh, my stomach's bubbling. Oh. Oh my God, my stomach's really going nuts. Wonder if you can puke if you get this nervous. I feel like puking. I really do. Still feels like I'm crying. Still am, probably. Yep, still crying. Barely. So, I don't know much to say. I don't want to hit end. I really don't. Because if I hit end, that means the lights go out. It's like that Jim Carrey movie where he's stuck in the dome and everybody's looking around him, looking at him, knows what his next move is. Can't wait to see him on TV. And then he finally gets sick of it. And he finds out that what really happened to him. And he escapes and he leaves into the whole big world. That's what my life is. It's like I'm stuck under a dome all the way around. They know what you do, they know what you are, they know who you are, they know everything about you. And the only way to get out is by escaping. It's by finding the magical door that gets you out of the place you are. And that's what I need to do. Because I'm stuck under a dome right now. And sure, you can see it for miles and miles and miles. But really, you're stuck under the dome. And you are working for a corporation for something that only sees you as slave labor. Because what you think you're worth means nothing to the place you are. And if you think you're better than them, can't ever be better than them until you get your foot out into that doorway and just pry open with everything you got until you get the heck out. Because that's the only way you will be able to exceed, to be what you can be, to give it all. You don't do that, you're going to be stuck at low life, piece of crud on the ground, and you are probably not even good enough to be that. That's what I feel like. That's really what I feel like. Right now, I'm just stuck. I feel like I'm stuck between two rocks and a hard plate or whatever. Something like that. That's how I really actually feel. I just feel horrible. See, I'm not suicidal. I'm not anything like that. But what if I just start slicing, dicing from the top to the bottom? I wouldn't, but what if? I need out. I can't be where I'm at anymore. I'm stuck. I'm really stuck. Alright, I'm calling it quits right now. Bye.